Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's breaks number 704. Opening two boxes of 1314 Upper Deck SP Game Used Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 2nd at 8:59 p.m. According to TimeAndDate.com, it is currently 20 to 3. That's p.m. Wednesday, June 3rd. Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221, 438, 228. Second box number is 221, 438, 223. Let's do that again. We've got 5 cards per pack, 5 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, break number 704. SP Game Used. Okay, we've got an empty box, piece of foam bagging, 5 packs. First pack, extra careful like always. Nice thick one to start with. I like those. What do we have? Oh, wow. Let me get the couple of pieces out of here. We've got Henrik Lundqvist, Rangers. Oops. Adjust my focus. Better. NHL Winter Classic. Material net cord. Card is out at 25. Number 18. Nice hit for Rangers. That's a good start. First hit. Okay. Let's find more of these. Dual jersey for Vancouver, Henrik Sedin and Roberto Luongo. Game Used jersey for Jordan Eberle, Oilers. Game Used jersey for Ducks, Jonas Hiller. And the last pack of the first box. Radko Gudas for Tampa Bay, gold rookie signature card. And that's the first box. Small cleanup, keep it clean and on screen. There we go. Second box. I'd like to remind everybody we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30. More appeal all the time. We've got some Crown Royale, some Upper Deck Artifact 2-box break. We've got some Upper Deck Ultimate Collection, certified, an empty box, piece of foam. We've got some 14, 15 Ultimate Vault and Superlative Vault, 1-of-1s. It's more than, I'd say 14, 16 boxes that ends tonight. Okay, 5 pack, second box, first pack. Team Canada, dual jersey. So we have a matchup. Let me just put this here, because I'm going to handle it a few times. We got Dougie Hamilton, that is Boston, and Mark Pysyk. Mark Pysyk, I'll have to check it out. I think it's Mark Pysyk. Ducks, no, not Ducks. We'll check it at the end of the break. So card will be randomized between these two teams. Well, their current team, because I only have Team Canada listed on the cards. So just put it aside. Card will be randomized at the end of the break. Next pack. Just punch it in. There it is. Mark Pysyk. Yes. I believe it's Buffalo. While I got it here, let me double check. Mark Pysyk. Current team. Oh, he's with Sabres. Yeah. He used to be with Edmonton. Now he's with Sabres. So card will be randomized between Boston and Sabres and Buffalo. Next pack. Rookie jersey, Jonas Brodin from Minnesota Wilds. Rookie jersey, Alex Galchenyuk from Montreal. Rookie jersey, Ryan Murray for Columbus. And last pack of our 2-box break. John Tavares, signature card. Nice hit for Islanders. And that's our 2-box. We'll do a quick recap of our hits. But before we do, we've got this card to be randomized. So between Buffalo and Boston, I'm already set up on random.org, so let's just get to the screen. We're on random.org under the list randomizer. Card we're randomizing between Dougie Hamilton for Boston and Mark Pysyk for Buffalo. So first on card is Bruins and then Sabres. Card will be randomized 3 times. Team that's on top the 3rd time wins the card. For those unfamiliar with this procedure, all the info is available on my description pages. Here we go. Randomize once. Bruins is on top twice. We still got Bruins on top. Randomized 2 times. And a 3rd time. Bruins still on top. You have randomized this list 3 times. Bruins gets the double jersey card. Dougie Hamilton, Mark Pysyk. So, as promised, I'll do a quick recap. I'll put this one on the bottom because it's sleeved. Here we go. Nice auto. John Tavares for Islanders. Rookie jersey, Columbus. Rookie jersey for Montreal. Galchenyuk. Brodin for Wilds. A gold rookie auto for Tampa Bay. Koskudas. Jersey card Ducks. Jersey card Oilers. Jersey card Vancouver duel, and this great Henrik Lundqvist cord, used net cord of a Winter Classic in 2012. It's a nice hit for Rangers. That concludes our break number 704 of 2-box of SP Game News 1314. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, the one-stop shop for box breaks.